Jai Hind all of you. My name is Kirti Singh. I work as an assistant professor in a CSE department, AKGEC Institute. Today my topic is palindrome number. What is the meaning of palindrome number? Palindrome number like 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Mirror number. Like आप अगर लेफ्ट से पढ़ेंगे तब भी और राइट से पढ़ेंगे तब भी नंबर. जैसे 1, 2, 3. Where is the 1, 2, 3? This is a palindrome number. But 1, 0, 1, 0. This is not a palindrome number. 0, 1, 1, 0. This is not a palindrome number. This is the palindrome number. Okay. So here first we write the code. Hash include stdio.h standard input output header file. Now int main main function of your program. Now here declare the variable. First n is the number which is come from the user. Now second variable is temp variable. Why temp variable is declaring here? Because if user can enter 1, 2, 3, this is n. If you are not assigning the temp variable, now every change come in n number. When further you assign and compare n and temp variable, here n number will be changed. So it is not possible here my 1, 2, 3 number is exist. That the reason हम यहाँ temp variable को assign करेंगे. Okay. Now next variable is remainder r. R initialization with 0 and next variable is reverse equal to 0. Why reverse equal to 0? Because I just want 1 by 1 number will reverse, because this is with the help of modulus symbol you can find the remainder. That's the reason we are assigning the fourth variable is reverse. So right here printf enter the number scanf for the reading the reading the number address of n. With the help of printf scanf you can write and read the number. Here temp equal to n, which is assigning the n number in temp variable. So here we write the concept with the help of while loop. If n is greater than 0, now n modulus is 10, which is assigned in r. Now this r come to in next line. Here rev reverse multiply with 10 equal to updated reverse. Now next line is n divisible by 10, which is assigned in new n. Now this is close. Here we write if temp variable is equal to reverse number. If this condition is true, now print is number is palindrome. Otherwise, print else statement. Right here, printf number is not palindrome. Now, you can calculate your open and close curly braces. First is open, now second is open, here is close. Then if black is open, now this one is closed. Now need to be one variable which is here close. Get ch, now close. If you don't want to write here get ch, you can erase, because you are not using hash include conio.h header file. Okay, so we can reverse and just understand these concept. Okay, so let's assume you can print here, execute the program, ask from the user, enter the number, user can enter the number is 1 2 3. Now our task is this number is palindrome or not. Okay, so this number can we apply here. 1 2 3 is greater than 0. Yes, this condition is true. Inside, now here we can assign 3 blocks. First is AND, second is REV reverse, and third one is R. Okay, as per the code you can check first. Your reverse will be initialized with 0 and your R will be initialized with 0. So you can put here 0 and 0 and your number is 1 2 3. Your initial state is this. Now check is 1 2 3 is 1 2 3 modulus 10 is what is the remainder? Remainder is 3. Okay, because with the help of modulus we can calculate the remainder. So here remainder is 3. Okay, now this remainder update with 3. Okay, now this 3 come to the second line R. Now what is the REV? REV is your 0. 0 multiply 10 is 0, but 0 plus 3 is 3. Now REV is update with 3. Okay, and here what is your N? Your N is 1 2 3. 1 2 3 is divisible by 10. Your N is updated to is 12. Okay, now your N is 12. I hope you get it. Now again your N come to the here and check your 12 is greater than 0. Yes, this condition is true. Now here put it the 12. 12 modulus 10 is remainder will be now is 2. Okay, this 2 come to the here and put it here 2. Now your R is 2. Okay. Now your REV, what is your REV? Reverse. Your reverse is 3. Put it here 3. Multiply with 10. 3 multiply 10 is 30. 30 plus 2 is 32. Now your REV become 32. Okay. Now 3 is updated with 32. Now your N is 12. What is your N? Is 12. 12 divisible by 10 is 1. 1 come to the here is new and is 1. Now put it here and now this N go to the this one. Now condition will check N is greater than 0. Number 1 is greater than 0. Your number is true. Now your condition will be true inside and N modulus 10. N is 1. 1 modulus 10. It's mean 0.1. 1.0. 1.0. Now your modulus come to the here is R. Okay. R is 1. Now R become increased with 1. Here put it the 1 and your reverse is number is 32. 32 multiply with 10. 32 into 10 is 320. 320 plus 1 is 321. Now your REV is 321. Now here 1 and is your 1. 1 divisible by 10 is 0.1 is 0. Now selected here 0. Now 0 is not greater than 0. This condition is false and your loop come here. Now your REV is here 331 and your N is become 0. Okay. So here we compare your temp value is 1, 2, 3 equal to 3, 2, 1. This is not equal to that the reason here compiler will be print come to the this line because condition goes the false and compiler control come here the else and now print the number is not palindrome number. Number is not palindrome number. Okay. So here print the number is not palindrome. And you can also apply enter the number when user can enter 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, then you can calculate with the help of this logic and solve this type of table for this 1, 2, 3, 2, 1 and this number is palindrome. Thank you.